Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa XS90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do something that I haven't seen, to be honest. We had to replace the brew motor of the machine itself. The motor itself just basically snapped in half, and we had to replace the entire thing. Once we had the machine running, we had to replace a lot of the gaskets that are located on the back of the machine. The one from the brew boiler, the one from the steam boiler as well, some of the gaskets of the brew unit itself, and some gaskets of the cappuccino spout and the coffee spout as well. So yeah, that's what we did. We replaced the motor and a bunch of gaskets on this espresso machine. We did a couple of cleaning cycles as well, and that's all. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine out. And then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam of the machine itself. So right now the brew unit is going to the pour position. The new motor is pushing the brew unit up, and now the water pump is pulling water from the water tank into the brew boiler and then out of the spouts, as you see like that. There you go. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really good color. When we're using our test coffee, we got a bit of crema. And we got it to, we have that more than 2 ounces of liquid, so I had to stop it before. Nice espresso shot coming out of this machine. They're also gonna get the hot water, and as you can see, steady stream coming out of the one, looking great. And now we're gonna be testing the steamer of the machine. We do not have the hose, unfortunately, so we will not be able to siphon any water or anything through it, but we're still going to be able to see the steam coming out from the one. There you go, that's what you want to see. This still can be adjusted, but like I say, we don't have a little hose that is connected right here, so we will not be able to frog milk. And there you have it, Jura Impresa XS90 working once again. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.